How to see reposted videos on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you where you will be able to find the videos that you have reposted, whether it's accidentally or intentionally reposted videos. So first things first, after you reposted and you want to see the different videos that you have reposted, simply click on your profile and you will be able to see here on your profile the videos that you have posted, your private videos, and over here, of course, your reposted videos. You will be able to identify that this is a section for reposted videos by the icon up and down, the arrows over here in the center, and you have here your favorites and likes. So this section will only appear once you have successfully reposted a video. So if your account never reposted a video before, this middle section or this section where you will be able to view the reposted videos will never appear on your profile page. But like I said, once you have done that, it will now begin to appear. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.